Hi, welcome to our electromagnetic theory course. In today's class, we will discuss about Biot-Savart's law. For electric fields, basic law is Coulomb's law. Similar to that, Biot-Savart's law is the basic law for magnetic fields. This Biot-Savart's law states that it is the statement differential magnetic field intensity produced by differential current element. Differential current element is represented by ideal. At point P is directly proportional to product of current element and sine of the angle between this current element and the line joining that point P, and it is also inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Means what? There exists a distance between this current element and point P. The distance, we can take the distance as r. Okay, means what? Mathematically we can write differential magnetic field intensity produced by the current element, that is ideal, is directly proportional to the product of current element and sine of the angle between current element and a line joining that point P, and it is also inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. The distance between point P and current element we have taken as r. So by combining this one and this one, we can write dH is directly proportional to what? Ideal sine alpha by r square. Ideal sine alpha by r square. Okay, in order to remove this one, we need to go for some constant. That constant is nothing but some k. So we can write that equation like this, that is dH equal to k into ideal sine alpha by r square, where k is constant. Experimentally it is proven that k value is equal to 1 by 4 pi. So therefore dH equal to what? Where k is 1 by 4 pi. Okay, dH equal to what? Now we can write k like this, that is ideal sine alpha by r square. In vector notation, this expression, okay, k can be replaced with what? 4 pi r square, 1 by 4 pi. Okay, so this expression, that is dH, k is what? 1 by 4 pi. So that's why ideal sine alpha by 4 pi r square. Now we can write what? H equal to what? Apply integration on both sides, we will get what? Integral ideal sine alpha by 4 pi r square. In vector notation, as it is the vector, in vector notation it can be written as h bar is equal to what? Ideal cross ar by 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. What about ar? Ar is nothing but where ar is a unit vector along r direction. R itself, this can be written as what? H equal to, we can write, it implies h bar equal to what? Integral ideal cross ar means what? That is r bar by mod r. We can write this one like this, that is 4 pi r cube. So this is the expression for what? H, or else, okay, this is the expression for H from Biot-Savart's law. Okay, I will rub this part and we can write that H like this. We can conclude, or we can write that expression, that is H equal to what? Ideal cross r bar by ideal cross integral, okay, ideal cross r bar by 4 pi r cube, 4 pi r cube. Okay, in case of the electric fields, we have different types of the charge distributions, that is line charge, surface charge and volume charge. Similar to that, here also we have the line current and surface current and volume current. These current elements are related by similar to charge distributions, we have different current, we have different current distributions, we have different current distributions, we have different current distributions. They are related as follows. They are related as follows. Okay, so that is ideal is equal to KDS is equal to capital K, ideal is equal to KDS is equal to JdV. Okay, where the unit of K is defined as, K is known as surface current density. So the unit of this surface current density is defined as amps per meter. It is defined amps per meter, whereas J is volume current density. So that is the units of this one is amps per meter square. Okay, please make a note of the unit of K is amps per meter, then only units are satisfied. The unit of I is what? Amps, and DL means length, so that's why here amps into meter, that is amps meter, and here K amps per meter, and DS means meter square, here meter square cancel, that is amps into meter, and here amps per meter square. Volume means meter cube, so this cube and this one cancelled, that is amps into meter. So that's why units are satisfied. So ideal is equal to KDS equal to JdV. So that's why we can write H as what? Therefore H can be written in terms of the line current like this, that is integral ideal cross ER by 4 pi R cube, or else in terms of the surface current it can be written as ideal can be replaced with what? KDS cross AR, ideal cross R bar, KDS cross R bar by 4 pi R cube, or else in case of the volume it can be written as what? That can be written as, that is KDS is replaced with what? JdV into R bar by 4 pi R cube. And make a note of this one. Similar to electric flux density and electric field intensity, electric flux density and electric field intensity are related like this, that is D equal to epsilon into E. Here for the immaterial space or for free space, D equal to epsilon naught into E, we have B equal to what? Similar to this, similarly B equal to what? Mu naught into H. Okay, in case of the free space, or else for the given medium we can write B equal to mu into H. So that's why this can be written as what? B equal to what? Mu naught into ideal cross R bar by 4 pi R cube, B equal to, as D equal to epsilon naught into E, similarly as B equal to mu naught into H. So that is mu naught into ideal cross R bar, or else we can write in case of the surface KDS cross R bar by 4 pi R cube, or else we can go for what? That is mu naught into JdV R bar by 4 pi R cube. Okay, so this is the expression for what? B from Biot-Savart's law, and this is the expression for what? Magnetic field intensity from Biot-Savart's law. What is the statement of Biot-Savart's law? Differential magnetic field intensity produced by current element, differential current element is directly proportional to product of current element and sine of the angle between the line and current element, and it is also inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. If you simplify this one, finally we got expression for H as like this, that is integral ideal cross R bar by 4 pi R cube. Okay, or else we can write that H like this also, that is ideal cross AR by 4 pi R square, where R bar is nothing but what? Where AR is nothing but what? Unit vector along R direction, that is R bar by mod R bar. Okay, this is all about Biot-Savart's law. We will meet in next one, that is nothing but what? By using Biot-Savart's law we can find electric field intensity, not electric field intensity, magnetic field intensity, this H, magnetic field intensity due to infinite straight current carrying conductor. Current carrying conductor produces magnetic field intensity. Okay, of course, what about the direction of H? The direction of H is given by this thumb rule. Okay, so this thumb indicates the direction of the current like this. Okay, whereas the direction of magnetic field is like this, these closed fingers, these encircled fingers represents the direction of the magnetic field intensity. Means what? So the direction of magnetic field is like this in this case. Suppose if the current is in this direction, in that case magnetic field direction is like this. This enclosed encircled fingers represents the direction of the magnetic field intensity. Okay. So this is about Biot-Savart's law. We will meet in next class.